Some trucks are everywhere, but others, they quietly outperform, cost less, and last longer, yet barely get noticed. Until now. 2025 Honda Ridgeline. Starting price, $39,600. The Ridgeline doesn't look like a typical pickup, and that's exactly why many skip it. But behind its SUV-like design is one of the most versatile mid-size trucks on the market. It offers a smooth ride, underbed trunk, dual-action tailgate, and a well-designed interior that feels more like a luxury crossover. It may not tow like a full-size, but for the average buyer who wants comfort, convenience, and capability, the Ridgeline is a home run that too many buyers ignore. 2025 GMC Canyon. Starting price, $38,395. The 2025 GMC Canyon got a full redesign, but it's still flying under the radar. It now comes standard, with a turbocharged engine, upgraded suspension, and off-road ready trims, like the AT4X. It combines rugged looks with daily comfort, plus a strong infotainment setup and premium cabin. For mid-size truck buyers who want more muscle without jumping to a full-size, the Canyon is a seriously underrated choice. 2025 Ford Maverick. Starting price, $25,640. You'd think the Maverick would get more attention. It's one of the only compact trucks in America with a starting price under $26,000. Plus, it comes with a hybrid powertrain that gets up to 40 miles per gallon city. It's small, efficient, surprisingly spacious inside, and endlessly practical. Yet many truck buyers still overlook it because it doesn't look like a traditional pickup. But for first-time truck owners or budget-conscious buyers, the Maverick is a sleeper hit. 2025 Nissan Frontier. Starting price, $30,570. The Frontier used to be ancient, but the newer generation is a huge upgrade. In 2025, it's modern, aggressive-looking, and packs a solid V6 engine with real off-road ability. It doesn't get the hype of the Tacoma or Ranger, but it should. For buyers who want a reliable, rugged mid-size truck without the inflated price tag, the Frontier delivers. And it's often easier to find at dealerships. 2025 Ram 1500 Classy. Starting price, $33,500. While everyone's talking about the latest Ram 150 models, the classic version keeps quietly selling, and saving buyers thousands. It's the older design, yes, but it's still powerful, capable, and packed with value. For buyers who don't need the latest tech or a luxury interior, the Ram 1500 Classic is one of the smartest buys in full-size trucks. Fewer electronics, fewer issues, and a lower price tag. 2025 Toyota Tundra SR 5. Starting price, $42,000. While the TRD Pro and Limited trims steal the spotlight, the Tundra SR5 quietly offers everything most buyers need, and at a lower price. It's powered by a strong twin-turbo V6, comes standard with great towing capability, and features Toyota's excellent reliability. Many buyers overlook the SR5 trim, but for those who want full-size strength without luxury frills, this is one of the smartest picks on the market. 2025 Chevrolet Colorado WT. Starting price, $31,095. Chevy's Colorado got a full redesign, but most people only notice the flashy ZR2 or Trail Boss trims. Meanwhile, the work truck WT trim offers the same power and capability in a simpler, budget-friendly package. It's ideal for people who actually use their trucks. No fluff, just function. And with updated tech and a solid turbo engine, it's a work-ready truck hiding in plain sight. 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Starting price, $26,900. Technically a lifestyle truck, the Santa Cruz blends SUV comfort with open-bed utility. It's great for weekend projects, city dwellers, or anyone who doesn't need massive towing but still wants versatility. Most traditional truck buyers overlook it entirely, but those who drive it tend to fall in love with how easy it is to own and live with. It's nimble, well-equipped, and surprisingly practical for everyday use. 2025 Ford Ranger XL. Starting price, $32,670. The Ranger is back in full force for 2025 with a bold redesign. And while most shoppers are drawn to the pricier Lariat and Raptor trims, the base XL offers excellent value with serious off-road chops. It's a mid-size truck that's powerful, simple, and affordable. Perfect for drivers who want capability without added cost or complexity. It may not have leather seats, but it'll get the job done. And then some. 2025 Ram 2500 Tradesman. Starting price, $45,800. Heavy-duty shoppers usually gravitate toward loaded trims, but the Tradesman trim on the Ram 2500 is one of the best-kept secrets for towing and hauling on a budget. It offers a no-nonsense interior, legendary Cummins diesel power, and massive torque. It's built to work, not impress, which is exactly what makes it so valuable. For those who need true muscle without paying for chrome and leather, this is the rig to look at. 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom. Starting price, $43,000. The Silverado lineup is packed with trims, and while most eyes land on the High Country or LTZ, the custom trim often gets ignored, which is a mistake. This model gives you the strength of a full-size pickup, a bold exterior, and upgraded wheels, without the luxury price tag. It includes Apple CarPlay, towing features, and solid V8 or Turbo 4 power. For someone who wants a good-looking, hard-working truck that still feels modern and capable, the Custom hits a sweet spot. It's one of those trims that quietly delivers big-time value, while others pay more for the nameplates. 2025 Ford F-150S TX. Starting price, $39,500. While most people jump straight to the Lariat or Platinum trims, the STX quietly delivers outstanding value for the price. It combines the rugged DNA of the F-150 with a sportier look and a more simplified package, perfect for buyers who want full-size muscle without paying luxury truck prices. You still get modern tech like Ford's Sync system, towing assistance, and solid interior comfort, but without the extras that push the cost way up. For first-time truck buyers or anyone who just wants a no-nonsense workhorse with some street style, the STX trim is one of the most overlooked options in the entire F-150 lineup. 2025 Toyota Tacoma SR. Starting price, $30,900. The all-new Tacoma redesign is a major headline in 2025, but the spotlight tends to land on the TRD trims. Meanwhile, the SR base model quietly offers the same legendary reliability and improved engine options at a much more accessible price. It's lighter, more efficient, and still has serious capability, especially with the new turbocharged 4-cylinder. If you don't need all the off-road upgrades, but still want a dependable modern midsize truck, the SR trim is one of the most overlooked workhorses in the lineup.